Hi guys, it's Channing here, coming through with a brand new video. In today's video, we will be doing a bubble rubber band ponytail. And I know you guys are aware that my low rubber band bubble ponytail video, you know, it did very well here on YouTube. I'm very proud of it. But I used Marley hair for that style and it turned out oh so cute, and it was oh so popular, and it's still oh so popular. But we want to try that style. It's a high ponytail style. So I've actually never worn it and I want to try it out, see how it goes. Why not? I have all this Marley hair in my hands right now, and I'm going to guesstimate how much I will need for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be 10. So if I did 10, it would look like this. Boom. I might do 12. 12 is normally my magic number. So I'm gonna go with 12 pieces of Marley hair. I hope this turns out really cute. Take my rubber band. Which side do we want it on? I want it to come to the side. Just added my bobby pin. I think it was 2 that I would. This tells you that I have not done one of these like ponytail styles in like a long time. Yeah, it's been quite a while. Got hair going everywhere. And we're doing it exactly as we did it back when we did it in a low ponytail. We wrap that around our base. So our hair looks like that. That's actually a cute ponytail, y'all. I was born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. Money. I really hate raggedy ends on Marley hair. I'm gonna get my rubber bands. My black rubber bands. I'm gonna start adding those. Pull that ponytail to the side exactly where I want it. And we're gonna start adding them. I think this is going to be a really cute style. Let the ends work. More than shape. Hope everyone's day is going great. Mine has been going awesome today. Hence me singing and all this extra stuff. I've just been having a really good day. Been having an awesome day. Yeah. Listen up. Okay. With this one, I'm actually doing, I'm gonna try to do them kind of close together. Cardi B is in my head. Oh gosh. Sorry y'all, Cardi B, the ratchet is coming out. This area right here is annoying me. So what I'm going to do, because I keep pulling it back, you know, like I'm going to bobby pin that so it will stay like kind of over a bit. I'm like, I don't want you, you know, crossing over like that. So we can get something like this, you know? It's the beginning of the bubble. So it's not exactly a bubble, but it's half a bubble. Get what I'm saying? You understand? Okay. Pop, pop, that's me busting that bubble. Maybe that's where it came from, me seeing bubble. Because I'm just like, where did that song come from? Even though I like the song, you know, still awkward timing. Okay. So, this is really cute. It's like a little summer dew, you know? I'm gonna start doubling these now. I wish I could have doubled most of them, because then, you know, it gives off a real live bubble whenever you are able to double them up. But it'll be okay. They weren't perfect the last time, but it just looked really nice. Came out really, really nice. I may try something. I think I might try it and see if it works. If it works, then you can do that to those up there. I think it looks completely fine. But it's a little trick that I learned using bobby pins and rubber bands. Whoops. Get that perfect. How cute is that? That is so cute. This is so adorable. It makes me want to go skating for some reason. Like, it makes me think of summer and it makes me think of skating. Makes me think of skating for some reason. Like, I mean, I could see myself having this hairstyle at going to a skate party or something. I have a vivid imagination, I guess. I don't know. So what I was thinking up here is a little trick that I've done before with hair bows. Do like this in order to tighten up the rubber band. See what I'm doing, right? And once I get it as tight as I want it, remove my finger from that hole, stick one end of the bobby pin through it, and then hide the bobby pin inside of the bubble. Makes it tighter. Bet you didn't know that, huh? Bet you didn't know that. Okay, let's see if we can do that on the other ones. I just taught you something today. No, I know you don't have to tell me. I already know. Okay. And guys, just make it as tight as you think you need it to be. I've never used it, you know, on this style, but I have done it before previously. So, you know, I pretty much knew it would work. To really define those bubbles. Mr. Bubble. Okay. I'm gonna do it to this one too. Y'all said Mr. Bubble. That was Mr. Bucket. I'm tripping. I'm really tripping today. I guess, I don't know. Sometimes you have days that are just better than others. And you're just really in a great mood. And I can say that I've had a pretty good day today. And nothing has happened. Nothing has happened at all. Okay. Oh. Did I want to do any of... Did I need to do this one? I don't think I did this one. So we're going to do that one. And then we're going to move on. And just go ahead and wrap this video on up. Because of course it was a success. It was a success. I just wanted to see how it would look. Because I had said when I did that video, I was like, I'm gonna do one on top too, but I just never did it. I've said I was gonna do a lot of videos. I still owe y'all a do your own clip-in video. Like there's so many that I've said I was gonna do that I just never did. And hopefully one day I'll get around to them. Hopefully one day we can get all of the videos I ever said I was going to do done, plus more. This hairstyle makes me happy. It is so cute, y'all. Don't you think that's cute? Dang, I don't even have any earrings, and I feel cute. I don't even have any earrings. I gotta put in some earrings, y'all. You know, I just don't feel like myself when I don't have any earrings. I have to have any earrings. So. And down to the raggedy hair on this right here. Gonna make one last little ball right there. I just stuffed that raggedy hair inside of one. So this is how our hair looks at the end. Whatever. This is so adorable to me. What do you guys think? But yeah, I think the style came out awesome. Hope you guys like it. It's right above my boob. It's a cute little style. Just make sure your hair is really sleek in the back. Looks like mine is kind of coming down a bit. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.